Hello, my name is Umbetova Danagүl, and today I'm going to talk about Pride and Prejudice book by Jane Austen. Pride and Prejudice is an 1813 novel of manners by Jane Austen. The novel follows the character development of Elizabeth Bennet, the dynamic protagonist of the book, who learns about the repercussions of hasty judgments and comes to appreciate the difference between superficial goodness and actual goodness. Mr. Bennet, owner of the Longbourn estate in Hertfordshire, has 5 daughters, but his property is entailed and can only be passed to male heir. His wife also has no inheritance, so the family daughters are his family faces becoming poor upon their father's death. Pride and Prejudice has consistently appeared near the top of list of most loved books among literary scholars and the reading public. It has become one of the most popular books around the world, and I really recommend you to read this book.